Hello children, this is general knowledge of class 2. Today we will know the sounds of animals. Listen 36 sounds. Children, as you can see some pictures of animals, birds and insects. You have to cross out the wrong sound if there is any. Okay? Children, take a pencil and mark it properly. So first picture is monkey and the option are moo, chatter, gibber. And the monkeys can chatter, they can gibber, but they can't moose. Cow is moose. So cut moo from there. Next one is cat. Cats mew, purr, hiss. All the sound are correct. Now next is dog. Dog can bark, it can yelp, it can growl. So all the three options are correct. Next one is pig. They can grunt, squeal, wink. All the three options are correct. Next E. The picture of parrot. Parrot can screech, parrot can squeak, but parrot can't coo. So cut coo from there. Next picture is owl. The options are screech, hoot, cow. Owl can screech and hoot, but owl can't cow. Okay? The crow, cow. So cross out from cow. Next picture is horse. Horse can neigh, horse can snore, horse can whinny. So all the three options are correct. No need to cut anyone. Next picture is of bee. Bee can hum and buzz but can't chirp. Birds can chirp. So cut chirp from this. Okay. Now question number 2. Whose sounds you can take one or more words. First A. Coo. Who coos? Pigeon, dove. But crow don't coo. A crow, cow. It doesn't coo. So take pigeon and dove. Okay. Now B. Blend. Sheep, cow, goat. Three options are given. Sheep sound is blade and goat sound is blade. But cow sound is moose. So take mark sheep and goat. Squeak. A mouse squeak and shoes squeak. But the sheep can't squeak. Okay. So mark mouse and shoes. Now croak. Three options are frog, snake, goat. Yes, the frog croak. But the snake and goat does not croak. Snake makes his sound and goat makes blade sound. Okay? So only the first option, that is frog, is right. Tick there. Now E. Chirp. Sparrows chirp. Bee can't chirp. Grasshoppers chirp. So take sparrow and grasshopper. Now F is his. Snakes his. Cat makes his and also stay or make sound his. So all the three options are correct. Tick all the three options. Okay. Okay children, you have to mark it correctly in your book and also learn it. That's all for today. Bye bye.